What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And your boys on week 26 on the juice, you know what I'm saying, on the Minoxidil. These are the results, you see what I'm saying? This is the right side. The right side coming along, you see what I'm saying? It's growing very good up under the neck. It's, you know, it's pretty much covered all the way, you know what I'm saying? And this is typically my strongest side, you see what I'm saying? Got hairs all up here. It's getting darker, starting to connect. This is still kind of weak. I still got a little bit of a weak side on this side, up under here. But hey, everything is good. Mustache is good, coming along. Got something in my eye, hold on. I don't know what that was. Mustache is coming along. Soul patch, connectors. As usual, the connectors is always good. All of this is starting to fill in pretty good. I can't complain, you know what I'm saying? Minoxidil is working for your boy. Go on and get you some Minoxidil if you're thinking about it. If you want to grow your beard fast, any type of facial hair, any type of hair on your head, your eyebrows, all that, you know what I'm saying? All I say is stay clear of the spaces you do not want hair, you know what I mean? Like, you know, if you don't want a unibrow, keep it away from that. If you don't want, you know what I'm saying, hairy knuckles and stuff like that. If you don't want hair on your forehead, you know what I'm saying, just be mindful about how you use it. And hey, make sure you consult with your doctors and all that stuff, because you can get heart palpitations, you can get fatigue, you can get, you know what I'm saying, a few side effects, but nothing just super drastic. But if you notice it getting crazy for you, because everybody's different, make sure you consult with your doctor, you know what I mean? For me, I've been good. I ain't had no heart palpitations, I ain't had no fogness, none of that, no headaches, none of that. So I'm good, you know what I'm saying? You see the gains. But like I said, fam, week 26, you know what I mean? And that's like, I would say 5 weeks after I shaved it all off. So I'm really on my 5th week of the grow back, you know what I'm saying? But as for everything else, hey, I can't complain, man. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think. Y'all can see how the beard is looking, how it's coming in real nice and thick. Hey man, I can't help but to be excited about this, you know what I mean? I've always wanted a beard, but I never really tried to grow one, you know what I mean? But now, hey, we on the journey, you know what I'm saying? So come along with your boy. Y'all see my lion back there? Say what's up, Cuddy. Cuddy Daniels. That's his name, Cuddy Daniels. Cuddy D. Cut. This man is ignoring me. What? Oh, now you want to look at the... What's up, Cuddy? Say what's up, Cuddy. And here goes my baby boy, Si. You want a beard, man? Look like you got a Cheeto beard. What's that? Is that Cheeto? You want a beard too? He said, get out my face. Now I got the whole crew out here. Well, basically the whole crew. The little boy, the littlest boy is, you know, taking a nap. But Evie, say what's up. What's up? You know what I mean? She making houses for the bugs, you know what I'm saying, using sticks, flowers, and all that. She been creative, and, you know, Si's the big little giant that likes to destroy her masterpiece. But anyways, fam, I don't want this video to be too long, you know what I'm saying? Just had to give y'all a little beard update. I'm about to go, you know, have some fun with my children back there before the little one have to get up, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, you know what I'm saying, the locks are doing good. Got the pineapple standing strong, you know what I mean? Can't wait till I can do the little rap thing, but I gotta, you know, probably a few years before I can do that. But hey, it's on the way. Beard gang and locks, you know what I mean? You can't go wrong with that. Perfect look, especially for the summer coming in, you know what I'm saying? About to get in shape. Been hitting the gym heavy, you know what I'm saying? About to get in shape. Had the locks busting, had a beard busting, and we gonna be busting. Anyways, fam, if y'all want more lock videos, I'll give y'all that. Of course, more beard updates. And you already know Can-Am Riker, you know what I'm saying? We gotta do that, you know what I'm saying? Updates on that coming soon. Matter of fact, here in a minute, I'm gonna take me and the old boy. We're gonna go for a little ride. And, you know, stay tuned to the end of the video, and y'all can see us ride. I'm gonna teach him how to ride a little bit on the Can-Am Riker. So, hey, I love you guys, and you already know what it is. It's your boy, Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace. Motorcycle doors. Say what's up, fam. Say what's up, fam. Watch out for the water, it's wet. It's water wet, but don't answer that. Don't answer that. Say what's up, Si. Say what's up, man. Say what's up. Boy, you got a forehead. There you go. Get your forehead from, huh? Your forehead come from me. Lord, look at it. Looks like, woo, right to the baby, right to the baby, right to the baby, right to the baby.
It follows me everywhere I go. I can't help it, man, it's right around. And karma seeks, I know things that go around, always coming back around. But I seem to be missing all the negative. Seems like I only attract the positive to me.